Good evening, folks. Welcome to Johnny's. And today, as you can see in the title, I'm gonna talk about how to detect circle inputs on a gamepad, okay? And I'm talking about the gamepad specifically. This movement, circles, on the gamepad. This shit. You see this shit? I'm talking about this, okay, specifically. Because when you Google that stuff online, man, all you get is, I'm gonna show you. How to input gamepad circles in a realm. You get quarter circle inputs from fighting game, which is not what I want. Just regular how to inputs at all in blueprints. Remove circles from the viewport. Gamepad with UI, adding gamepad navigation. No, enhance, no. Not what I want, not what I want. Not what I want, not what I want. Like, no one's talking about it. So I'm gonna do it because I know that it's possible. I play on the Nintendo 64, alright? So like that's like half the games on that console. Just fucking... You know what I'm saying? So this is what I ended up with, okay? I'm gonna start with the reason why I want this to happen. I'm gonna show you. So here's my Unreal project. And I have a fishing game, okay? I'm making a fishing game. And I thought it'd be cool if to reel in, you actually just reel it in. You know, you go, hey, I'm making a circle. Wow, this is crazy. I'm reeling in some fish. That makes sense, you know? And you can do that at different speeds. And maybe you have a video game, who knows? So this is what it looks like right now. So here's the guy. And I'm reeling in. And there you go. That reeling. And if I go really slow, he goes slower. And if I go really fast, he goes faster. All right. I stop, he stops. You kind of get it. So to do that, I don't think I did it the right way, okay? I think I kind of went the wrong way around, and I feel like I made it overcomplicated. Well, as you saw, it works enough. I get my RPMs, and my game fucking plays. Good enough. So here's the code. On my tech, on my player tech, I have my fishing. If I'm fishing, you know, don't move. And if I'm fishing, you know, check where the camera X and camera Y value are, and the camera X and camera Y value is the right joystick values, you know? So the way the values of the joystick works, as you probably know, is that, you know, just an X and Y axis. You an X and Y, and you know, you have your positive Y, negative Y, and positive X, negative X. I'm playing with those, with booleans, to know where the player is on the X and Y graph, okay? So if I'm on the up left, which means the camera X value is smaller than 0, or the camera Y value is greater than 0, I say true. Now, awesome. Now I go to the next one. If I'm on the down left, which means X is lower than 0 and Y is lower than 0. If up left is true, that means that before getting into down left, I was up left, which means I made a quarter circle. Effectively, I made a quarter circle, which means this. Up left, down left. And then I can do that with all the other ones, you know, from down left to down right, and then from down right to up right, and then from up right to up left. And if you do four quarter circles, you get here. Then what I do is that I start a timer, you know. So the initialization of this timer since creation. I'm gonna have a number that's gonna keep going up as you keep playing the game. And I give the value of that timer to an old timer. And all I do is get the RPMs, you know. That function gives you the time in seconds. So I go 60 divided by the timer that keeps going, minus the last time I did a full circle. And with that, I get the RPM. But that has some issues, you know? So as you saw on the title of this video, it is a question, you know, how do you make the the circle inputs? Because I'm kind of asking you, I'm telling you my solution, but I'm kind of asking how will you do it, because this one doesn't work. And I love your response, guys, from my previous videos. You guys were commenting a lot, and it was awesome. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I want to see if I can milk you out a little more, because I get these two issues, okay? I'm gonna show you if I'm reeling in, let's say really fast, and then I just stuck it to one side, he will keep reeling in forever. So, and he keeps that speed. Which makes me think, is that a bug? I don't know, you know, because in my game, you're gonna have to change speeds quite a bit. So maybe it's fine, you know, that way you save your fucking gamepad, you know, it's not that bad. But it also doesn't work the other way. But you know, I can use my same logic and go both ways. But that sounds kind of dumb, not gonna lie to you. I wanna see what you do. Leave it in the comments. Let me know. And I deeply appreciate it. I want to say thank you to all the people that commented on my very first video. It got me 16 subscribers. Thank you so much. Bye bye.